Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And here today we are going to start our programming language, that is Python programming language. First, we won't use any IDE. I will use Google Colab, that is Google Colab notebook. Here I will focus to do programming. Google, if you will search like this, it will come. Then welcome to Collaboratory. Then click over here. Then here it will come. Then you need to click new notebook. If you will click new notebook, then this will come. uh, yes, this will come. And this collaborations, Google collaboration, will work on Python programming language only. You can't run any other programming language. Here main language they are focusing on Python. Okay. Now day one Python I will write. I will change name Python. Day one I will write. First day what we people learn all it will be over there. I will put this link or I will put this file in description also. You can go through once after finishing this class so that it will be revision after that. Here I will write what is Python. Here Python is, I will put some little bit concept clear topics so that it will on your head. What is that? Python is a high level programming language. High high level programming language. It is object oriented language, and it is interpreted language. Okay. What do you mean by all? First, what do you mean by high level programming language? Okay, now I will focus here. High level programming language. Here I can use numeric value, alphabetical value, alphabetical value, and special characters. Object oriented language means if I will do any program, then I need to focus on any objects. Anything which have some values, that is called object. Okay. Object. Here in this interpreted language means Python will focus on code and read the code line by line. That is called interpreted language. Reading the code line by line, that is called interpreted language. And uses. Python main they focusing on web applications. I will write here directly web applications, mobile application, and many more. You can go through the Google, many definitions are there, but I will main topic so that it will be in head what is the main. So Python is using for web application, mobile application, and many more. And Python syntax are easy compared to another language. Python, I will write here Python syntax easy as compared to other programming language. Okay, now what is the roadmap to learn the Python? Here I will write the roadmap also, how we need to go, which area we need to focus. Here the roadmaps. A roadmap of learning the Python programming language. Roadmap of learning the Python programming language. First, basic syntax. Second, what is variable and data type. Third, need to focus typecasting. String to int to string, how it will be, that is called typecasting. That int and string are the data type. If you people not aware, variable, I will tell that also. I am telling step by step we need to go through, that I am writing here. First step, need to go basic syntax. Second will be variable. Third will be our data type. Fourth will be our typecasting. And fifth will be our functions, built-in function, how to build function, and how to build a function. And sixth will function, build functions. Sixth will be our list, tuples, and dictionary, and set also here only. Cover all that topic, what is necessary for starting point of view to learning Python programming language. This will be our roadmap. First basic syntax, second variable, third data type, fourth typecasting, fifth function, built-in function, sixth list, tuples, dictionary, and sets. All will be covered are topics day by day or every day. Now, what is the basic syntax of Python? Here, someone peoples are aware of Java programming. Then Java programming, they write in public static void main. Here I will write, if they don't know how to Java programming syntax is Java programming syntax. I will write Java programming syntax. Java programming syntax is like public static void main, then double curly braces. Here you will write system.out.print, and here whatever you want to print, that you will print hello world. And this is the Java program. As I told earlier also, this platform is only for Python programming, so Java programming won't be run here. Then if I will try also for running, it won't run. And here I will write, I will cut paste. See here, syntax error or invalid syntax is here. because this is a not platform of Java program. This is platform of Python program. Python program. Why I write it Java program? Because so that I can compare and I can show you people what is the difference between Java programming syntax and Python programming syntax. Because as I told, Python syntax easy as compared to other programming language. So now I will write Python programming syntax. Here if anything we want to write for print, then simply I will write print keyword and whatever I need to write, and here I will put inside hello world, and I will run this program. Then it will print automatic hello world. This is keyword, this is what I want to print, and this is our output. If it won't print, then it will show like a red color, and if it will print, then this will show green color mark. So this is our Python C. This is Java programming syntax and this is programming of Python. How simple this. Nothing I need to write. I write it only print, and here I need to write this much for printing hello world. So which is a simple language, you can comment and tell me below. Now I will tell variable, because second topic is our variable. What is variable? Variable, I will tell what is variable. Any value or variable is a container which hold the value and occupied the space or having some memory address, that is called variable. Here I will write also in Python programming language. In programming language Python programming language or any programming language, variable is the storing the value which having some address, that is called variable. In Python programming language, where we can store the value where it will take some memory address that is called variable. In Python programming language, where we can store the any value. Now this is a theoretical portion. Now through syntax now we can understand, like a is a variable. I will put one value 45 and I will print this. Then what will be output will come. Here is a variable a, 45 is the value, and this having some memory space. If I will print, some memory space will generate, that is called variable. This 45 came, so 45 is stored somewhere else in our computer. Variable value and print is a keyword and a is the variable. A variable store the value which having some memory address, that is called variable. And again I will give some more examples so that it will clear. Like a1 is equal to, like b is equal to 5, print b. What will print? it will print the value of 5 because b is the variable, 5 is the value, and when I will print, then it will store memory address. It will take some memory address in the computer. It will go and store somewhere else. This one. This is variable concept. This is called variable. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, next our topic will be data type, and we will meet next. If not, any topic is not able to understand, please comment below so that I can elaborate along with example. And I hope you people enjoyed a lot. Let's meet up next session.